We've done the low approaches.
Radar service is terminated.
On your feet.
Staff maintains the velocity. Changes approved.
Numbers, center line, airspeed. And the runway, no center line, airspeed. Now once you pass that threshold, when you know that you're going to make it, you start pulling out the power. There you go. Keep the nose coming down. Don't bury it. Keep the nose coming down. Center line, center line, center line, center line. Left rudder, right, left rudder, left rudder. There you go. Right here. Keep right there. Okay. Center line first. There you go.
Yeah, I was a little bit to the left of the runway, and I tried to actually correct it, but I did correct it with rudder, not with aileron.
Right wing in sight.
It's not just aileron, it's rudder, ailerons, and elevator.
That's 275, as you just have to cross hash, try direct service, contact service,
So this one is actually 1,000, right?
Yep, right here.
Runway 28 right for the option, runway 33, there's the land.
600 to 700 feet.
Right to land, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I gotta make sure you're not crossing the runways. Right about here. So maybe turning to the right about 600 feet. Give me some right rudder. Make sure you're, look at your nose, gotta look at that nose. Look how it's, I'm seeing blue too much.
Yep.
You see that's Mormon Temple right there, so aim for Mormon Temple.
Okay.
That's a good crosswind over here. There you go, now roll out, now look at the runway. That's a good crosswind, right?
Yeah.
Alright, now keep that climb going at 67. Alright.
Flight 812, remain as frequency, turn right taxiway, Juliet, hold short runway, to it right.
With you, right turn Juliet, short to it right, Flight 812.
Good. Don't worry, I don't think you're going to hit these guys.
Yeah, we are way below 500, I guess.
Yeah, we should be fine. Just don't go in it.
Yep.
There's another guy in the pattern, he's taking off.
Pushing 606, wind 3006, runway to your right, clear for the option.
28 right, clear for the option, 95606. He said about the wind, right?
Yeah, the winds are fine. What did he say?
I didn't get the wind thing.
That's fine. It's probably
Flight 812, cross runway to your right at Juliet and come to ground point Nano, traffic 2 mile right base.
Cross to it right on Juliet and point 9 on the other side, Pause 12.
Parker 45 Foxtrot, state parking.
It's on the LT, 45 Fox.
Parker 45 Foxtrot, left hand, taxi via Foxtrot, just for the good day.
45 Fox, thanks.
power on that turn, there you go. Now always look for the runway. Watch that airspeed, sped up.
Flight 812, is that aircraft blocking you?
Put the nose down. There you go. Not so much. Good. Get the nose coming down. There you go. Get that center line. There you go. Keep that nose coming down. What's your aiming point?
The numbers.
Alright, keep that nose pointed to the numbers. Trim it if you need to. If you're coming down too fast, add some power.
Oakland Tower, November 28697.
There you go.
Ready at 433 on Charlie.
Keep the nose coming down.
28697, Oakland Tower. Put about a minute or two on the runway. Runway 33, line up and wait.
Keep the nose coming down.
Line up and wait, 33697.
Look at the end of the
Oakland
runway.
Tower, executive 653 inbound ILS, right.
Power, but keep the nose coming down. Then start
653
transitioning your
Oakland
future
Tower,
into the
wind
runway.
2906, runway 2 right for land.
Stop.
Clear line 3 right, executive 653.
There you go. Gotta keep fighting. You give up, dude.
I didn't.
You have to make sure you're flying. There you go.
Cessna 606, Charlie Foxland.
Turning cross for 9 passengers.
Cessna 606, follow citation, 1.5 mile final, over to your right, clear for the option.
Oh, looking for that traffic to 8 right, clear for the option, 9 passengers. I have the traffic inside, 9 passengers.
Roger.
There you go.
Commander 5, Juliet Hotel, runway 2 right, line up and wait.
I wasn't in the center line, but that was...
I'll take it. Good job.
Thank you.
Cessna 606 for faster shuttle behind you, turn crosswind.
Turning cross for 9 passengers.
Good. I love how you corrected for the rectangular pattern.
Yeah, I just...
Cessna 606, runway 2 right, clear for the option.
Sweet right, clear for the option, 95606.
Look at the end of the runway to get at my center line.
Yeah.
There you go. End of the runway, numbers, airspeed. End of the runway, numbers, airspeed. End of the runway, numbers, airspeed. Good. Beautiful. End of the runway, numbers, airspeed. There you go, keep the nose coming down, good job. There you go, a little transition to the end of the runway. There you go. Right rudder, right rudder, right rudder, right rudder, right rudder. See?
It's getting more and more sensible, I guess.
The more you fix things in the early phase of it, the less you have to fix later.
Yeah.
That's why I like to get that center line as early as possible. I don't wait till I'm like 200 feet off the ground to get it. I'm like, I get it all the way back there. And I maintain it. It's about getting that stable approach and maintaining that stable approach.
Yeah. They are always saying that a good landing starts with a good pattern.
Yeah.
And I'm actually getting that now.
Yeah.
Even though some of the pattern that I did wasn't perfect, but I guess, That's the key.
Yep. Good pattern and airspeed control.
Yeah.
It's just airspeed control, man. That's all it is.
Passing the numbers.
06 runway 28 right, clear for the option.
28 right, clear for the option, 606.
Says 06, turn cross one.
Turning crossing 606.
Yeah, keep it pointed down.
Okay, 50 Fox, traffic sight, maintain visual separation. 50 Fox, thank you. Says 606, traffic 2 miles northwest of the airport, 600, helicopter has you in sight. They're landing on deck to wait shortly.
Roger that,
Looking for that traffic, roger. 956.
Says 606, runway 28 right, clear for the option.
28 right, clear for the option, 95606.
Oakland Tower, Bonanza 853, Tango, ready for departure, runway 28 right. Bonanza 853, Tango, Oakland Tower, hold short, runway 28 right. Hold short, 28 right, Bonanza 853, Tango.
Get the nose coming down. When you pull that power. There you go.
Bonanza 53, Tango, runway 28 right, line up and wait. Line up and wait, runway 28 right, Bonanza 853, Tango.
Yeah, it sunk too fast.
So, mind controls?
Yeah, yo.
Mind controls. Alright, so let's keep this climb going.
Okay.
Right here, I'm looking out for traffic, no one's there. Keep it at 67, I have my right rudder that's in there. I'm gonna look behind me, make sure I'm still going straight. Let's see how rusty I've gotten. There it is. Now I'm gonna look at the end of the run.
606, runway 28 right, clear for the option.
Turn right, clear for the option, 606. Alright, I want to aim for that number right there. Aim for the number, 60 knots, and then I'm going to anticipate that red. There you go, there's that red. I'm going to add some power just to make sure I don't get the descent too low. Look how I'm keeping the nose kind of coming down. always pointed down.
Oakland Tower,
Always pointed down.
354,
Line up and settling.
and
Always pointed down.
Apple.
Always point out. Fighting. I'm fighting.
Circle 254, 690, Oakland Tower, maintain VFR above 1,500. Enter right base, runway 2 right.
Same picture.
VFR above 1,500, right base 2 right.
Okay.
See how I didn't go straight to the flare?
Yeah.
I kind of was staying on that ground effect, waiting for it to sink.
Yeah.
That's what's supposed to happen. Just keep looking at there on the runway. Right rudder. Too much right rudder. There's 50. Then I'm going to start rotating. There it is. And then I climb at 67.
Okay.
Okay? Alright. Your controls.
My control.
Runway 2 right, clear for the option.
28 right, clear for the option 606.
There you go. Get the nose pointed
Helicopter,
down.
Foster, Foxtrot, radar contact the altitude. Climb me to 400, 5 to Fox.
Keep that nose coming down. Don't be, there you go. I see you're kind of flaring already. Keep the nose pointed down. And then right about here, pull the power out. Now look at the end of the runway. And then just hang out here. Little right. More. There you go. Just hang out. More. There you go. Wait for it. There you go. See? It's a little bit better, okay?
Okay.
It's not a quick transition. It's like
You have to exhaust the airspeed as much as you can, and then it eventually sinks.
Yeah. So as it sinks, you gotta pull.
Yeah.
The difficult part is not pulling too much and not pulling too little. It has to be just right.
Yeah.
If you pull too much, you're gonna balloon, you're gonna stall, and you're gonna hit. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And if you don't pull enough, it's gonna be flat. You might bounce. Okay. It'll be the last one, right? 270 back.
7606, runway 2 right, clear for the option.
28 red, clear for the option. This will be the last one, 95606.
Roger.
Say, can we get a right 270 back to San Carlos after?
Can we get right 270 back to San Carlos, 95606?
7606, approved after the option, make a right 27 departure to the runway trees round numbers.
Okay, 270 right, and then approach to the number 30, and then go to San Carlos, 95606. Thank you.
Pointed to your aiming point. There's a reason why it's called an aiming point, right? There you go. Keep it coming down. Keep it going to 228. There you go. Keep it coming down. All right, right here, reduce the power to idle. Keep it coming down until right about here. There you go. Okay, good.
Cherokee 3 taking off traffic, 1 o'clock, 3 miles lower, 600 helicopter, contact north departure 120.9er. 120.9er, contact north Cal 3 taking Papa. Delta 606, maintain VFR at 1,400. Proceed to the runway trees row numbers.
Maintain VFR 1,400, proceed to 30 numbers, 95606.
Delta 606, travel the opposite direction from the mid-span at 2,000, twin Cessna. Contact Oakland South Tower, 127.2.
Contact 127.2, and you're looking for that traffic 95606.
So a little bit to the right, a little bit, see 30, you're now heading towards it. You gotta head towards it. There you go, that's 30 right there. Now you can switch.
And should we say anything?
Yeah, just say 1,400.
Oakland Tower 95606, 1,400.
Cessna 95606, Oakland Tower for the runway 30 numbers continue to the mid-span of the San Mateo Bridge. Maintain VFR at or below 1,400.
Passing the 30 numbers and aiming for mid-span at below 1,400, 95606.
At or below, but that's okay. Okay? So now this is where it actually, this is where the altitude actually counts now, okay?
Okay.
This is gonna go say San Carlos Tower.
Cessna 006. Traffic's 12 o'clock and 3 miles southbound, indicating 600, type unknown, radar service terminated. Keep your code, contact San Carlos Tower today.
Go to tower, looking for traffic, 606.
Looking for that traffic, going for San Carlos Tower, and frequency change of group 95606. San Carlos Tower 95606, mid-span 900, inbound for Vid Bravo.
Cessna 95606, San Carlos Tower, cross the KMBR towers, then enter right downwind runway 30.
Cross KMBR Tower and enter right downwind 30, 95606.
Set 606, enter right base, runway 30.
Enter right base, runway 30, 95606.
Cessna 95606, runway 30, clear to land.
Runway 30, clear to land, 95606.
San Carlos Tower, just confirming we're clear to land, Daytime 583. Scott 35583, full stop landing, runway 30, cleared to land, traffic short final.
Roger, we have traffic in sight, runway 30, full stop, 583.
Bay Flight 7, make a left 360.
Low, less than 1 mile, level.
Bay Flight 4, when you make your crosswind turn, proceed towards the sunken ship. I'll call you back inbound in a couple miles.
Proceed towards the sunken ship, Bay Flight 4.
San Carlos Tower, experimental 224 Bravo Lima, 30 round, ready for departure. Channel 224 Bravo Lima, San Carlos Tower, hold short, runway 30.
Hold short 30, 4 Bravo Lima.
Telecop 2 Bravo Hotel, for planning purposes, will this be a long landing with parking on the northeast side?
Affirmative, 2 Bravo Hotel.
2 Bravo Hotel, thank you. Make straight in, runway 30. Best forward speed, please. Traffic on a mile final.
Best forward speed, got the traffic in sight. For the final, 2 Bravo Hotel.
Set 606, where's your parking?
FlyBayArea, we are exiting.
Next right, taxi to FlyBayArea. Have a nice day.